I'm really struggling with something. Can you please help? Of course. Feeling bad about charging for my services and marking up on product. Isn't this called double dipping? You go to your mechanic because your car needs fixing. Do they charge you for labor? Yeah. And if they need to replace your carburetor, for example, do they sell you the carburetor at their cost? Well, I never really thought about it. I mean, I just trust them to do what they do so I can drive safely in my car. Right, so as a smart business owner, your mechanic will be billing you for the hours that they take to do the labor, as well as charging you for the parts that they use to service your car to make sure you're safe. Yeah, that's right. Do you think they feel bad about charging you for services and marking up the products that they sell? No. As a customer, do you ever begrudge your mechanic because you think that they're double dipping? Of course not. That's absurd. I mean, I know nothing about cars. I'm just relieved that I have someone that I can take my car to that I trust. And your client feels the same way about your interior design services. Never underestimate the value that you bring to your clients. Thank you so much for this clarity. Anytime. Double dipping my ass.